Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Hyundai Palisade with a traditional key. First, ensure your vehicle is in park or neutral for safety. Then, insert your physical key completely into the ignition cylinder located on the steering column. Turn the key clockwise to the start position and hold it for a moment. As soon as the engine fires up, release the key, and it will spring back to the on position. This simple process gets you on the road quickly. Sometimes, your Palisade might not start immediately. A common issue is a locked steering wheel. Gently jiggle the wheel while turning the key to release it. Always double-check that your gear selector is securely in park or neutral, as the vehicle has safety interlocks. If the engine cranks slowly or not at all, your 12-volt battery might be low, requiring a jump start or replacement. Ensure the key is fully inserted and turned with confidence. Even with a traditional key start, your key fob has a battery. If the fob battery dies, remote locking and unlocking won't work, but you can still start the car. The physical key hidden inside the fob can manually unlock your doors. For ignition, simply use this physical key in the ignition cylinder as usual. Remember to replace the key fob battery, typically a CR2032 coin cell, every 2 to 3 years. Maintaining your ignition system ensures reliable starts. Keep the ignition cylinder clean and free of debris that could obstruct the key. Avoid attaching heavy keychains to your car key, as excessive weight can wear down the ignition switch over time. Regularly check your vehicle's 12-volt battery, especially before colder seasons, to ensure it holds a strong charge. If you experience persistent starting problems, consult a certified technician for a thorough diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.